I think if possible, we can demo Audible. I want that.
Yeah, I'll do Audible quickly. We'll fire it up.
Device unlocked. 1737. Audible. Audible. Search.
So you have 4 tabs in the Audible app.
Selected.
At the bottom, the Home tab will show you the books you've currently been listening to.
Library tab 2 of 4. Library.
We'll go into the Library tab. The Home app tab isn't particularly interesting.
Discover tab 3. Selected all button. Authors button. Select library navigation. Button. Library navigation. Selected all authors. Genres. Collections. Filters for your list of titles. Selected. View all titles. Button. View all titles that have not been started. Button. View all titles you have started listening to. Button. View all downloaded titles. Button. Downloaded. View all titles you have finished listening to. Button. 534 titles.
So you have any number of options there to filter your library view. If you want to play or download a title, you double tap it and it will do whichever of the things that it needs to. So if it's on your device, it'll play it. If it's not on your device but in your library, it'll download it. The interesting thing about the Audible app, as far as I know, is that it doesn't support streaming in the app, although Audible does support streaming from its website. Obviously, you can go to the website there. It's not critical, though, because if you download an Audible title on your phone, it will sync across your devices. So you can download it, play it from the device, and as long as you've got a network connection, it'll sync, so you can pick up on your Alexa, your computer, etc. So I'm going to show you how you buy a book, because obviously that's something, as I mentioned, you can do on Android. So we'll go to search. So there's a book I'm interested in a minute, a new thriller that's come out called Falling.
Search. Keyboard hidden. Capital B. Falling. Edit box. Clear query. But results 618. Sort by featured. 0 filters of Falling by TJ Newman. Rating 4.0 stars. 58 reviews. Falling. Double tap to activate.
That's the one. I'm going to open this up.
Capital N. Shop. Falling audiobook TJ Newman audible.co.uk. Web view. Navigation.
Yeah, it's an annoying web view. They've put a web page inside an app, but we'll forgive them.
Credits information. Region. Available credits. 0. Next credit available. July 20th, 2021. Buy free extra credits. Link.
So as you know, Audible, you can buy extra credits.
Play sample for Falling. Button.
I'm gonna navigate by heading. I think the summary will be a heading in this.
Links. Controls. Headings. Falling. Heading 1. Summary. Heading 2. You just boarded a day flight to New York. There are 143 other passengers on board. What you don't know is that 30 minutes before the flight, your pilot's family was kidnapped. For his family to live, everyone on your plane must die. The only way the family will survive is if the pilot follows his orders and crashes the plane. Enjoy the flight. Copyright 2021 TJ Newman. Show more. Psychological. Button.
So I'm going to go back up because if I want to buy the book, that's going to be above the summary. So I'll go to the heading level 1.
Summary. Falling. Heading 1. Buy. TJ Newman. Narrated. Stephen Weber. Length. 8 hours and 26 minutes. Unabridged audio. Release date. Language. Publisher. Categories. Mystery. Thriller and suspense. Link. Comma. Thriller. 4.0. 58 ratings. Whisper sync for voice. Whisper sync for voice ready. Grab. Whisper sync for voice ready. Get this audiobook for the reduced price of £7.99 when you buy the Kindle edition. First, learn more about Whispers. Regular price, 12 for 1 credit. Regular price, £12.59 for 1 credit. Buy now for £12.59.
I don't have any credits, so I'm not going to buy it now. But as you'll see on the main page of the book, there is a buy now book, and it's as simple as that. Once you've done it, it will be in your library. You go back to we were on the library tab, I think, but you go to your library, it'll be the top item. Once you've bought it, double tap it and download it. I will just talk about WhisperSync. You may have heard that as I was navigating that page. WhisperSync, as it said, allows you to buy an audiobook at a discounted price if you've also bought the Kindle edition. I haven't used it. I don't immediately have a use case for it. But if you're out of credits, do fancy an audiobook and happen to own the Kindle edition, then it might be something you want to have a look at.
Great, Ed. That's a good demonstration of the Audible book player there, audio book player. And, you guys could check it out and see if you like it. And oh my gosh, that story, I don't know. That's why I don't like fiction stuff. Just kidding.
Trust me, I'd much rather it was fiction. If that was a non-fiction book, I'd be a little bit worried. If it's got to be one or the other, I'll have it as fiction.
My gosh.
After trying to read that book, it's hard to follow.
Is it?
Yes.
Ah.
The flashbacks are not obvious that they're flashbacks, so it's hard to tell what's a flashback and what's a
Go
name.
read it. Thank you for that.
Interesting, because for me, I'm not sitting here trying to read make-believe. Maybe that's why I don't go to movies as I should. I'm getting too old. All right.
Well, I'm sure they must have WordPress, the missing manual on WordPress, on Audible, if you'd rather read that.
Yeah, I would rather read that. Thanks, Ed.
They certainly had HTML, the missing manual once, I think. Anyway, yeah, so that's audio book apps.